Good morning everyone. This is Nitin Namdev. I am here to tell you about the speciality of the day. Today is 23rd January and this day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The government of India has decided this 23rd January every year will be celebrated as a Parakram Divas. So here I will tell you about the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Who he was, what did he do for our nation. He was a very brilliant person and very educated person in our freedom fighters in the history of India. He did a lot for our nation, but we forgot a very legendary person. I will remember you that he was a person that he was born in Cuttack in 1897. Okay, his father was a lawyer. He completed his study from the Kolkata University and he was very intelligent in his study. And since he was studying in his college, then he is a most intelligent person in his class. In his college time, he was always fight for the Indian students in that college. The British officers and professors treated the students very badly. So he fought for the Indians. Principal of the Kolkata University College rusticated him. So after he came home, his father told him you must go in the London. He went London University and he was studying in that time IAS exam. No one have thought that any Indian can get the 4th rank in IAS exam. He got the 4th rank in the IAS examination and become IAS officer in London. But he was a great and Indian revolutionary. He told that I will not do work for the British officers in the British administrative. So he left the job. He left the job that time and came to India and joined the national movements with Mahatma Gandhi, and often he mostly became the president of Indian National Congress. He became the president of Indian National Congress, but most important thing he says that he told the Indians, I will get freedom. I will get full freedom from the Britishers. So his thought was not connected with the Mahatma Gandhi, because Mahatma Gandhi says, I will make India free with non-violence. But he said that I will make India free however he wants. So he leave the Congress party and made his own All India Forward Bloc. And after many years, Second World War, Britishers were so weak. So he made his army with the prisoners in Japan, Azad Hind Fauj. The Azad Hind Fauj, in the Azad Hind Fauj, there were 16,000 soldiers. They came to India to make India free from the Britishers. The Prime Minister of Britain, Clement Attlee, thought that he is very powerful person. He cannot let us live in the country, so they resigned from India. So the most important thing is this: in the freedom struggle of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose played a most important role in the Indian history. So I am here to tell you about the speciality of the day. That's why we celebrate